How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, as I'm going to be talking to you guys about the direction of the channel that I'm going to be taking. As far as I'm going to be obviously doing a lot of Honda content, DIYs, tips, tricks, the latest info, the latest bulletins and stuff like that. But I'm also going to be showing you guys some reviews on some tools. I'm going to be acquiring some tools that I've been using, some must-haves. Especially if you work on Hondas, as well as anything related as far as work shoes, maybe some PPE, stuff like that. So I'm going to be, going a little bit broader on the whole channel, but still going to be relatively focused on Hondas because obviously that's what I'm going to be working on mostly. But if I do come across some other issues on different cars, I will be posting that, anything I find, tips, tricks on, stuff like that as well. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't. Like this video and follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Honda Mobile Mechanic for daily content. So today I am in my garage, and this is going to be where I'm making most of my videos from now on, just because it's a lot brighter. Obviously, going to be a lot of car related stuff. It is my home garage, so there's other stuff in here. As you can see in the background, I got some wood, I got my snowboard, practical homeowner stuff. But I have some stuff I'm gonna be showing you guys, my plans with the garage itself, and basically what I plan on doing with this space over time. It's gonna be a slow process. I got a lot of plans, and I wanna make sure I do it right. But this is just the beginning. So right here we have my workbench. I actually made this out of 2x4s and some plywood. You can see all my fluids that are needed. Got a lot of mess here. Got a lot of cleaning up to do. This is the very beginning stage of this process. So got a whole bunch of drills and homeowner stuff. Got my valve cover off my AP2. My plaque from work. And my AP2 at the track, went 12.9 at 108. Not bad for an all-motor car. A whole bunch of funnels, level. Got a bench grinder over here. Got a pretty small vise over here. It does the job, but I'm gonna upgrade this eventually. So, on this side, we have my snowblower. This only stays here in the summer, in the winter time. Obviously in the summer, I'm in Jersey. It gets pretty warm. So I just used this last week. It's about 2 years old. It's an Ariens. Super nice. So pretty expensive, but it's well worth the money, especially if you need to use it. So this wall over here, eventually, I'm probably gonna put obviously I'm gonna clean this mess up right here, but I'm gonna put maybe a spring compressor over here and some sort of a press. I do a lot of suspension work on FK8, Civic Type Rs, a lot of Accords, 10-gen Accords, and anything basically. But I'm gonna have a nice in-wall mounted spring compressor. I don't like those floor ones, and I don't play that. I think it's important. Safety is obviously very important. I'm not trying to lose any teeth or anything like that. So I'm gonna spend the money. I'm gonna get a nice spring compressor wall mounted, along with a nice press. Maybe I'll put them, side by side over here. I'm not sure yet. This is a heater over here. Works pretty good. It doesn't heat up the whole garage. It's probably about 40 degrees in here right now. I have it off, but if I was working on a car, I would turn it on, and at least I would have, some heat with under a hood and stuff like that. So over here I have my generator. Got some gas, obviously. All this stuff is great, but if you run out of gas, it doesn't work. Generator stays in the garage all year round because obviously I can't be putting that in the shed and I need an emergency and need to go and dig it out. So that's gonna stay all year here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it here exactly, but it's gonna stay in the garage. Compressor, I think this is a 33 gallon or so. Yeah, 33 gallon Husky. Does the job. It's not big, but it's good for what I need it for. I'm switching over to mostly electric tools anyway, so in a couple of years that'll probably be worthless to me. So plans with the garage is I'm gonna obviously soundproof it / insulate all of it. I want to make sure that if I am making some noise, my family inside doesn't hear, my neighbors aren't bothered by it. I don't want to be a nuisance to anybody. I plan on removing the shelf over here. You know, it's hanging kind of low, and it is good for some storage, but I want to remove it because, like I said, it's hanging low. I've hit my head a couple times already, and I plan on making you know, a ceiling over here with some storage on top of it, and like that, it'll make the ceiling shorter. It'll keep some more heat in here. It won't take as much effort to heat up the garage. I'll get a proper heater eventually. I want to do an AC, maybe either on the window or, you know, through the wall. We'll see. But yeah, that's basically my plans for this. Obviously, I want to see if maybe I get some sort of a mini lift here. I don't want a full lift. Even though I kind of have the ceiling space for it, I don't need a full lift in my house over here. I'm not going to be going crazy doing, you know, big major rebuilds on cars and stuff. So you can see it's a 2-bay garage. It's pretty big, you know. I want to epoxy the floor eventually, you know, make it real nice and clean, make it super useful, super reliable. And if I need to come in here, I could get some work done and basically just do what I got to do and go back in the house. So I got my jack over here. I got this tool cart. Now, this was nice a couple years back, but I think eventually I might upgrade to the Harbor Freight tool cart. It's like 280 bucks or something like that. It's like 3 times the size. I don't need anything heavy duty. It'll be more than enough for what I need. You know, I'm not going in drawers 300 times a day like I am at work. So I'm not going to spend crazy money on, you know, nice Matco 1 or nice Snap or anything like that. So this is small, but for now it works. Obviously, you see, it doesn't take much to fill this space up, and I got to organize this, but you know, it's going to get upgraded. That's a definite. So this is basically it, guys. You know, tour my garage. And it will be going through many changes. And as I go through the changes, I'll be showing you guys, I'll be posting new videos. I am going to be doing reviews on, you know, tools that I'm using, new tools that I'm buying. I'm going to be doing some organizing over here. Everything that I'm going to do, I'm going to, you know, do so I can remove when I fix these walls and make them nice. I can remove it and put it back as, you know, pretty easily. So anything I buy in the future, tools wise or work attire, PPE, stuff like that, I'm going to be trying to do reviews on so you guys can be as educated as possible. All right, guys. So with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of you, all my subscribers, and everyone watching that isn't a subscriber. I appreciate you as well. And look forward to working on more content. A lot of it is going to be Honda, obviously. But like I said, there's going to be a lot of content on reviews and anything automotive, really. If you guys have any ideas or any questions that you'd like me to shed some light on, drop a comment below, and I'll see what I could do. And stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you guys in 2021.